Technology has become the mainstay in today's world, and Radius Group stands for all your tech needs. Do you know that the elevator buttons are the most touched surfaces in high-rise residential and commercial towers? This makes these surfaces highly contaminated. This is very scary in today's world. Keeping this in mind, Radius has come out with the mobile app Curoelevate, through which you can use the elevator even without physically touching any of the buttons. Our mobile app Curoelevate automatically locates your current lift lobby and directs the nearest elevator to reach to you. Once inside the elevator, you just need to scan the QR code displayed on the elevator wall. The entire remote panel becomes visible on your mobile screen. Select the destination floor on the Curoelevate app and the elevator will stop at that floor. In case you have not downloaded the Curoelevate yet, still you can use the elevator through your smartphone. Just scan the QR code displayed adjacent to the panel. A virtual screen will appear on your mobile phone, prompting to press the lift call button. Once you press the desired button, elevator will move to the destination floor. See how simple, safe and secure it is to use elevator through our mobile app Curoelevate. With our presence in Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad, Chandigarh, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Mumbai and Pune, we look forward to serve our clients pan-India and mark our footprints in rest of the cities soon. At the Radius Group, we continuously want to innovate, automate and optimize our resources to offer you uninterrupted service 365 days a year. Contact us at www.radiusinfotech.com or mail us at info@radiusinfotech.in.